You're going to log in at cashback.diginew.com. You're going to enter in your login details. You click on category. And then you go to fast food. Then you go to Crave, Dining Rewards. You go to Claim. In the search bar, you're going to type in the restaurant that you visited. And then you go Start Claim. You put in your mobile number, the date, and the receipt total. Once you've entered your information, you can upload your image and then submit. And there you have your reference as well.